To make Cornish pasties, first wash your hands. Then add salted butter and lard to plain flour in a large bowl. Rub it all together with your fingers until the mixture looks like crumbs. Shake the bowl to bring the lumps to the top and give it a final rub. Then add cold water and mix everything together gently with a spoon to create a dough. Use your hands to squeeze it into a ball, then cover and leave to one side. Now top and tail spring onions and carefully cut them into small pieces. Then add them to a bowl of shredded beef that a grown-up has cooked for you. Next, put chopped swede and potato that a grown-up has also cooked for you into a plastic food bag. Give them a bash with a rolling pin to mash them up. Then tip them into the beef and spring onions. And don't forget to wash your bag out and use it again. Grind in 4 to 5 twists of black pepper and give everything a good mix. Mix it. Now sprinkle flour onto your rolling pin and worktop. Carefully cut the pastry in half and roll out each half like this, so it's quite thin. Then use a small plate as a guide and cut 2 circles out of the pastry. Now do the same with the other half of the pastry to make 4 circles. Fill each pastry circle with 2 spoonfuls of the meaty mixture. Dab some water around the edge and fold the pastry in half. Squeeze and twist the edges together to crimp the pastry and seal the edge. Put all your pasties onto baking paper on a baking tray and brush with milk using a pastry brush. Then ask a grown-up to pop them in the oven for you. When they've cooked and slightly cooled, they will have turned golden brown in the oven and taste absolutely delicious. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.